Hello, welcome back to this second part of tables tutorial about HTML tables. In last part, we have studied about different attributes of table and table rows and table data. And I told you in this lesson we are going to discuss about table rows, Rowspan and Colspan. So without wasting much of the time, let's start. Okay, I want to show you that I have created this table in advance, and the output of this looks like this. So I have 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 4 by 4, and I have written this number to identify them because this is first row first column, first row second column, first row third column, first row fourth column, second row first column, and this one is fourth row third column, and so on. And here I have the code for this. And one more thing that I want to discuss is about table captions. So you can also apply the caption to the tables. So caption, here I'm going to write caption, and here I will write Rowspan and Colspan. Let's save this, go here, refresh it, and here is the caption for the table. Okay, now suppose I want to make every text in the center of their respective cells. So last time we have learned that we can write here a line, and everything within this row is going to be at the center. So there is another way to do this, that is to use a Tbody tag. Use the Tbody at the start, and here after the last row hit the enter Tbody, and in this Tbody table body simply write align equals center. Save, refresh. Okay, maybe I had made some mistake. The spelling's ALIGN. You can see everything is at the center. Now let's study about our Rowspan and Colspan. So let's start with the Rowspan and Colspan. The purpose of them is to merge the data. So how we can merge the data? Let's say first I'm going to use the Rowspan, or let's say I will start with the Colspan as it's simple. So I want to merge these two cells into one. Means first row first cell and first row second cell. And where is here these two? So these two TD have to be merged. Okay, so let me show you over here. You can clearly see here. So these two I'm going to merge these two. Now as you can see, they both are in same row, but they are two different columns. So it means I'm going to merge two different columns. For that purpose I will be using the Colspan. So let's merge these two, and after merging these two, so these two will become 1 2 and 3. So there will be 3 cells in this first row, and technically I should be having 3 TD tags in this first row. So how to do this? Let's here I will write Colspan is equal to, and how many columns I am merging? I am merging 2 columns, and now there should be 3, but here I have 1 2 3 4. So it means this one is going to be merged into this one. So I am going to remove this one, hit the save, and let's see. Okay, so the first cell, second cell, third cell, first cell, second cell, and third cell. The width of first cell is equal to the width of first cell plus second cell. So let's try to merge these two, 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2. Let's search for where is 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2. Here we have. So I will write here again, these two are different columns. Colspan is equal to, okay, let me write 3. So I'm going to merge 1 2 3, these 3, and they will become 1. So technically there will be 2 TD elements, 1 and 2. So this is first TD element, and these two are going to be merged into this. So let's remove this. So now I have 2, and the length of first column, first cell is going to be equal to 3. So let's see clearly. Okay, so now I'm going to undo this. Let's undo this. Okay, here we have. Now let's merge 1 1 and 2 1. Here is 1 1, here is 1 1, and here is 2 1. So we have to merge these two, and these two are in different rows. This is in first row, this is second row. So that purpose I have to use rows span equal to, suppose I want to merge two cells, I will write 2, and this cell is going to be merged, as you can see, 2 1 over here. So I will remove this one. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, it's quite looking good. So here it is. Now let's merge this whole column 1 4 2 4 3 4 and 4 4. So this 1 4 2 4 3 4 and 4 4. There I had the 4 4. So 1 4, where is 1 4? Here's the 1 4. Let's merge it. Colspan. Sorry, that's a Rowspan equals 4, and then I will remove this one. As you can clearly see from here, I'm going to merge 1 4 2 4 3 4 and 4 4. They are in one column but different rows. That's why I'm using the Rowspan. So let's remove this one, 3 4 this one, and 4 4 this one. So which one to remove? That's why I have written these numbers so you can clearly see which cells to remove. Save, and let's refresh, and here we have this. I hope it's clear that how to use Rowspan and Colspan. So till then, see you in the next video. Take care.